Where you going swimming today, dude? You don't want to mess up your hair?
Call me Michael.
Yeah, alright. God damn it, motherfucker. Insert your personal code. What the fuck does that mean? I don't got a code. I'm definitely hanging back. No wrecks today, man. No accidents. Nobody's going down. Got a stabilizer on this fucker. Shit's gonna spoil me, man. I got a cruise control on here. What? That's Rs660 limited edition Aprilia. This one's James. It's like really comfortable. It doesn't have the aggressive posture as a sport bike, but it's not as upright as a naked bike, dude, like an MT. It definitely rides better than the MT, dude. And I got a little windshield on here, dude, which is good. Yeah, dude. Dude. I just don't want nobody to wreck today, bro. Oh, no wrecks today, man. Definitely need a pipe on here, bro. Poor dude's on his R3. He's got a nice fire blade though. I was so uncomfortable on his bikes, man. I would feel better on mine. There he goes. Jesus. Sorry, dude, I'm a little hard on the gears right now. Oh, there's a fucking bug in here. Ugh. Jeez, bro, we only got 330 miles, dude. That's why I wanted me to ride. Wait, I don't even think we hit the break-in point yet, do we? The 500? I don't know what it is on these, but I did not expect this many people going up here today. We're going up to 245. There it is, California 245. It's I think it's a Badger Pass. Anyways, there's a mountain house up there at the top. We were out there. Usually the rides are pretty mellow. there are some rides that are anything but that. Yeah, people wreck. I'm hoping nobody wrecks today. If everybody tries to ride within their limits, not try to keep up with it. And you can kind of tell how a ride's going to go at the beginning, just by the ride out, how people are riding. And I'm kind of half and half right now. Normally I'd be like, this isn't going good, or you know, hey, this is going to be a good one. Right now, I'm staring 60-40 right now towards somebody's gonna make a mistake. You know, I hope it's not me, because I'm not on my bike.